first Asia Pacific Temporal Bone Workshop in India, an association between Advanced Bionics and Dr. Raos ENT Hospitals. All of us gathered together for a single reason: advancing hearing and cochlear implant technology.
Learn about the different kinds of experiences because each of these countries, India, Japan, Australia, have very different kind of systems for cochlear implants.
Logic is multi-directional. Plus, so you've heard about FM systems? That's outdated.
So, I think you enjoy the cadaver dissection now, but my case will make you cry. So,
thank you, Advanced Bionics, for choosing Dr. Raos ENT department. We'd like to give a small token of appreciation from Dr. Raos ENT to the AB team